1956 Chevy 210 wagon. We cut out the braces. Floor's welded into the car. This car is all back in one piece. Now, we welded the plates up to here. We didn't bother with the rockers. Obviously, we're going to cut them off later and repair them from the outside. But that's all been welded. Used a little trick to weld that seam up we had to open up. I still got these two little corners to fix. And I still got to weld this area here on both sides. But the rest is welded in, so the car is all one. Now here you can see where the firewall is welded to the inner flange of the floor. And all we did was we drilled a bunch of holes and plug welded them in. So we're happy with that. It's a little weld there to grind off. Same back there from where we had our brace across. Just in case the rocker wasn't solid enough. We don't want the car moving or twisting. This car is super solid, so it didn't move a whole lot. Now we had welded a brace across this way as well to keep it from flexing in and out. And we figured it was out a little bit. And sure enough, when I went to put the floor in, this side moved in about a 1/16, and that side might have moved in about 2/16. So 3/16. Sitting with no floor for years, that's all that moved out. So we're pretty happy with that. We didn't move it enough that we're not going to be able to adjust our doors and all this, because they fit this car fairly good. So we should still have plenty of adjustment, and we're going to be happy. So that's her with a full floor back inner. We're at a point now where a DIY guy could probably take on a lot of the work, unless he didn't want to do the floor in the back. But this will be our next step. Probably tomorrow I'll come in, I'll weld the 4 corners up that I want to do, and before lunch, and then after lunch we'll cut this out. We'll start building our new frame and floor. So this is going to be a short video. There's not really much more to say. If you followed all the videos, I'm trying to make more detailed, shorter videos, so I hope you guys enjoy that. Between these wheel wells is 46.5. From that edge to the edge where the sheet metal stops at the back is 47. Not that that's important to everybody, but it could be important to somebody. But anyway, that's where we're at. We've got a solid car all bolted together in one piece. We basically, aside from that floor back there, we've got the start of a rolling shell. Thanks for watching. Cheers.